Hey, what's up guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the mirror assembly on your Honda HRV. We're going to start out by removing this upper corner cap. Just grab a hold of it with both hands and pull directly out on it, and it just pops right out. And then next we need to remove this cap. Just use a very small flathead screwdriver, and in the top part is a little groove cut out in the cap, and you want to pry down on that upper tab right there, and it just pops it right out. And then behind there is two Phillips screws that need to come out. And then grab a hold of the upper corner of the door panel, and we're just going to pull out on the door panel and pop this corner loose. We're not going to try to rip the whole door panel off. We're going to just pull this corner loose, just enough where we can get in behind there to get these nuts off of the mirror assembly to release it. And then in behind there, we need to unclip this wiring harness. So you can just use a flathead screwdriver to get in behind this clip. And while one hand you're pulling out on it, with the other hand you're going to be using that flathead just to pry out on that clip and pop that out. And then we're going to plug the wiring harness by pushing on the tab with our thumb and pulling out on the plug. And next we're going to remove the nuts that hold the mirror on. And the first one is here behind the seal. We're using a 10mm socket to remove that nut. And the second one is tucked just slightly behind the door panel, so I'm going to be using a ratchet and a 10mm socket to sneak in behind there. And the third one is up here on top. And before you completely remove that one, take your hand and wrap around the mirror and hang onto the mirror, just in case the mirror wants to fall out when you take that last one out. And then once you have all the nuts off, you can go ahead and take the mirror and wiggle it out. And you might have to press this tab to release it, and then just go ahead and pull out on it. And that is it, guys. The mirror is off. Thanks for watching.